Okay, hello, hello, hello. We are ready, we are live. Let's see, everything's checked out. Okay, so we still have these relative equal highs, just four relative equal highs now. And now we're starting to move lower. It is a little difficult to play this move up. We kind of have like that first high, second high, third high, three drive up, and then we take these lows down here, which to me is still pretty clear relative at this rate. So we're just stuck in a range with the equal highs above, the buy side below, or buy side above, and sell side below. I marked a 15-minute fair value gap on ES. If this can flip, I'll be looking at more for lower prices. I think we had a planned group session, but I think Lanso had an appointment. I don't know where Desi is. But we're starting up anyways. Very slow chop today. Grind action. Now moving lower. You can see like a breaker from this area here where we did get closure down. Retap back to fill that inefficiency for lower prices. Also retap again, and then now we're getting a deep move down. So between the buy side and the sell side, now we're approaching the midpoint now. And that 15-minute is a deep close here. We'll see if we can get closure next 4 minutes here. Or draw something like premium discount. I am surprised we didn't want to take the highs yet. Short from 642. You're looking pretty good, man. Very aggressive price action with started the live stream. Gonna draw the breaker on ES here. It's basically the same low. I should mark the high low here. We just know that got respected. Ah. Well, yes, think with price action right now. 4K up today, Sierra said, on two tops up funded. Very, very nice. Do you reckon Apex shut down soon after what they're doing payouts? From what I've been hearing from people in the past, recently the main wait, let me there's the mass email for this payout cycle for those who got the payout or requested payout at mid-August. You have to record yourself. That's not inherently a bad thing until they start rejecting people for it. What I've seen from people, if you comply with it, you're giving your payout eventually. It does take a long process. I've heard that from multiple sources, which is pretty good. So I'm not gonna panic yet. I have like I did request a nice payout. It got denied for that same purpose. I need to do the video recording, which I'll probably do next week. I need to set up my camera and all stuff. It is annoying, but I don't have my camera set up. I'm not recording this setup. I'm probably gonna do it tomorrow or Monday. Just have to set it up. But for I'm seeing, you have to show your, like, let's say an NinjaTrader or whatever web browser you're using, your account history, the account numbers, a face cam, and then a video of you on with the same screen. Like, it's like very in depth. This first payout, and then you're getting asked that. That's crazy, but that's just what it is, man. I'll only be worried if you submit all the proof and then they still say something about it. That's when I'll be like sweating a little bit. I'm like, okay, I'm probably not gonna see my money here. But this is the first time it happened to me. I know it happened to other people already in the past, and they got resolved, or most of them got resolved. Other people are still like waiting to hear back. Just what it is, man. Like, I have like 12, 13,000 a handful of accounts. Just requested 3K payout on each of them and got rejected. That's after like 10 plus requests. This is my first time they want like video proof. But hopefully, you know, after you get that video proof going, you're done. No more. You're gonna face review there before YouTube because that's money in the line. I'm gonna have to do what I need to do. It's just a little bit annoying for them to require that, but I'm willing to do it. I know some people are more hesitant about it. As long as I get the money, man, I'm willing to do it. Most things. Am I crazy too short? 56, 54, 56, 54. You're back in this 15 minutes. Let's look at this closure. So, if you think you go lower to this sell side on NQNES, then we come back up and look to sell lower. We've just been very choppy in the range. NVIDIA earnings accelerated the downward price action, and then we just grinded back up. So a lot of manipulation there, and we still haven't got that high taken, which probably a lot of people are putting their stop here, and a lot of people are targeting if they're long. And every time, let's say you were long down here, and you put your target at the equal highs, you get very close, and then back to break even, or even stopped. Especially for those trying to chase it too, they're getting decimated. But another reminder to diversify. You don't want to be stuck in one firm. You know what they expect from the written and video statement. I've seen example of the videos. You basically show your NinjaTrader with the account name. You show like you executing from the chart itself for NinjaTrader charts. You show another camera source that shows your face and the same screen, while your mouse is moving. Just those three basically. And you need 2 videos of that, 2 recordings of you trading, which doesn't seem that bad, to be honest. It could be like a few minute, like 5-minute trades. The written statement, I believe you just say like, you basically write down in a Word doc or whatever, saying like, this is me making the purchases, this is me trading. That's what I think. This is news to me. I literally came home last night. I got the email like denied. We need video proof. Account investigation is like, okay. I think everyone got the email. Most people got the email. But it is what it is, man. I'm just surprised. Like, that's why I got like Danzy and Lanto blown up by Discord messages saying like, did you get the email too? It's like, I was like, I hope I not. Then I checked the email. I did get it, and so did hundreds of you guys as well. They basically sent it to everyone. Oh, and on the bright side though, I think Apex in that video with update with the sale are saying like those things from the poll and the survey is gonna come out soon. They're gonna update soon, which is good. I think it's like 8 days request, no payout, windows, all these type of things. If they implement that, that's something I would like. You guys remember that Twitter poll? Let me see. Or it's like, it's not a Twitter poll. It's a poll from the survey. It must have been deep in there, but it was like 2 months ago. They started now saying they're gonna implement it in the next few weeks. Where was it? It was like, it was actually good stuff. Everyone was getting excited over it. Hey, scroll down. But yeah, Top Step has been changing stuff. My Fund feature has been changing stuff. Lots of platforms has been adapting, improving for the most part better. Oh, there it is. The new proposed plan. They say they're gonna implement this in the next few weeks. 8 trading days to request payout. Request at the end of 8 trading days, so there's no request periods. No 2 times. 40% consistency rule, hard consistency rule. From soft 30%. So now this is gonna be a flat 40%. No flipping rule, no more flipping rule. It's like they don't care. Like as long as you meet the consistency rule, I think you should be okay. Even though you go like the sizing, they should really clarify about the sizing. Because I see some people get denied when they use like 1 mini and then like they start doing 2 or 3 minis. I have no idea. And they're just gonna start new probation stats for offenders. Offenders are most likely those who are doing flipping a lot or doing something they don't dislike, which is like buying like accounts and blowing through them and trying to get one big account winner. Yeah, this was their poll. This is a survey too. So if they start implementing that, at least I would get more hope with Apex. They need to take away 20 accounts. Yeah, I wouldn't mind if they just do 10 accounts, honestly. 20 is way too much. Told Lanto this last June. I wouldn't be worried about Lanto. Like right now he's thriving Top Step, which is fine, but he made a lot of money this year from Apex. So there's like a lot of people like that's scared of prop firms, like scared money though. Like if you're scared from the start of the year, he wouldn't have done like I think half a mil or plus right now with Apex alone. Lanso really likes to scale up, which is great. I don't think I have that in me at the moment. I like to just go easy, take my profits, leave, and just slow growth. I'm content with just making like, let's say I have like 10 accounts. I'm content with making like $300-$400 per account, 3,000-4,000 bucks basically per day. But he's been going crazy lately. He's been going for like 30K, 40K, 50K days. Besides that, we'll get the next 15-minute close. We basically return to this 15-minute inverse. We got this internal hanging down here. Not much really happening today. Look at the 4-hour here. These relative equal highs. ES already crushed them. NU hasn't. And we're just stuck here. What do you guys think, though? Any setups you're looking at, long or short? Let's review them. There's not much going on, but I'm open to look at them. Can you dump it? I think I'm leaning low right now. I want to leave this equal highs there for not today, maybe next week. That's the right move, Josh. Diversification. You said I'm funded with Apex, buy funded futures, and Bunox. Add Top Step for sure. The Top Step is too good to not add. Other than that, maybe try take profit if you want to even diversify more. They have really great policies. Oh, I forgot. Today's Thursday. Yeah. Do we have news tomorrow? Those equal highs probably get ran tomorrow if we don't get it today. PC. I think most likely it would get it done tomorrow. Let's see what happens here. We basically got, remember how we did this low range here at the buy side? We got basically the 50. Oh wait, no, from this low end to the buy side, we got to discount. So these are still a magnet for me. If we can hold price action, form and breaker, I'm looking for longs. Any experience with take profit? I really haven't tried too much with it, but I've been trying with them. I've heard a lot of good things. The daily, here's the thing: daily payouts, no question, no ask. Like if you qualify for it, you get it. Like that's part of beat. And I haven't seen a rejection from it. It's only like the main thing is like same thing with Top Step eval. Is 50% consistent rule for evals the same way. Once they're funded, I think there's consistent rule still. I believe so, but it's end of day trailing evals, but trailing drawdown funded. Some people dislike that, which I get. But if you're able to do that, that's a very good pick. Yeah, so yeah, core PC tomorrow. I have a brokerage live account with them, daily payout requests. Yeah, most live accounts do daily requests. September is coming too. September is always so nasty with price action going like a very aggressively one directional, which is leading bearish. September. Don't ask me about my any forex firms. I don't think I ever traded one forex firm yet. Daddy tried to convince me to do one. I was against it. I was like, nah. Contender for worst price action all year. It's been disgusting. September better than August. I don't think there's any month that's incredible. Start of the year has always been decent, at least. It just September's gonna be very aggressive selling. That's just how historical data usually is. I think we all trade futures now. No, I don't think I know anyone in our circle trading forex. This is so slow all day. I just have to open. The open is ripping. I hope we get something clean though. I'm ready. What do you not like about shorts to 591? This internal low. It's really close already. I think I do favor shorts more than longs for now, though. I'm waiting for things to play out more, give it structure, give a clear entry model, because we're just chopping back and forth. I know by enter, it's gonna maybe give us some points, and then likely just gonna bounce around our entry. This is slow. Yeah, so we're looking at this buy side here, which is the relative equal highs, and I still like this internal low, and eventually this kind of relative equal lows down here, the main buy side and sell side. But the close one is the internal. I'm looking at this right now, see if there's any setups for it. I'm waiting for closures. I just really bounce back and forth. This is what I like to see right now. This 15-minute gap, getting closure under, retrace, and then still holding it under. 5 minutes doing the same thing. It all looks pretty good here. I'm just looking for an inversion entry, a BPR, or any breaker. Most likely the breaker entry. But if you're looking for shorts, I would like to see it trying to sweep and do a stop hunt first. This might have been it here already. And looking like a good rundown there now. No inversion to really go for. It's just way too tight. Price action. But yeah, I think I do favor shorts more though. Was there any good trades in the morning? Let me just analyze this while we're waiting. I'm gonna try to analyze it at the same time. The 9:30 here. We opened up here 9:30. It looks like ES did sweep more lows here. Look at that 3 drive down, 2 drive lower. Well, NQ SMT, and then we kind of, I would say this is nasty SMT too. We have like a bullish breaker here. This is like a very clean bullish break in hindsight, just because we have nice SMT to back it up. Drive down to fill the inefficiency, and then really rip back up. I like this 3 drive for this breaker setup too. This looked very good. 10-17. Was I don't know if I was online there. I just didn't like price action at open and continuing on. Just kept on going back and forth. Besides that, was there any other good setups? This looks like another SMT from this high here. ES make another high. NQ make another low. Really just chopping back and forth from there. One more false move up. I'm gonna like shorts. If we do try to make a pop, take out this internal high, I would like to slam down. That's just like if it happens. If it just breaks the high, keep on moving up, leave it alone. This is really, really slow. I want to look at shorts though. Yeah, try on liquidity on NQ. That's what I want to go for if I can. If I want to see one more move up. It doesn't look like I want to give that though. I would never chase like this. Even though it's so close, like you chase this and it comes back up, I'm gonna hate myself for that. I need to see a clear entry model. Lots of relative lows, low resistance, liquidity, and a nice internal target down here. So this is like a very clear target. If I could see any, you might need to break down 30-second chart or something. Any short entry model at all would be nice. Yeah, also another thing, I believe Apex do not like sharing execution. That's why I keep on, a lot of firms do not like that. That's always against their policies. So I could just do a paper trade like this, boom, sell, instead of like showing my real count. Have you tried fast track funding? I have not. Well, that's a lot of interest. I feel like they're shady, but you know what? They might be worth a shot. I don't know. I have no knowledge of them. This looks good. This retrace really went down. This now we're gonna slam down here. They charge 220 or 50, 350. How much do they charge? I heard, yeah, that they have no evals, which is a good way because if you fail out evals, is good, but it just feels sketchy to me. But you know what? Some people think Apex is sketchy. That's fair. 220 with a coupon of 49% off. How much is the 150k? Let me just see the plans. I'm just gonna show this, but don't. This is not a recommendation. I have no idea what this is. Let me just see. One-time payment. What is the difference between these? Is it just the count size or just different counts in general? Grand prix. 5 minimum trading days. Maximum 20 accounts. No scaling. This is rule, yes. 20. I think it's 20% this rule, right? Oh, I thought they were count types. Okay. Never mind. So 150 was 600. Is that $300 with the discount? You can't pay with a credit card? What the hell? Oh, I do remember that. That's why it's $300 for 150k. Is that the best deal in the past? Is that even a decent deal compared to what they did in the past? Only crypto wire. That is disgusting. Is the best deal. Maybe I'll try it out. Maybe I'll try it out for you guys. But this is not a recommendation. I would recommend Top Step. I would recommend My Fun Futures over a new firm like this. Apex you have to take with a grain of salt. They are very good scalability, but if you can't handle what they are trying to pull right now, which is like, you know, they're trying to make sure everything's you're the right person trading, all that stuff. I would never trust the guy. That CEO is a huge lawsuit right now because he scammed somebody and broke contract. What's the guy's name? How can I find information? Oh, we took the internal low. This is the target. This could flip now. This flip now, I'm longing it. What, Trayify? We basically swept this internal low and now pressing higher. Remember how I wanted initially this then down? Now I kind of want this to go up and then retrace and then slam back up. Now that we took this internal low. Scott Tristy. That is a revelation if that is true. Let's see. What should I look? Court records? Oh, it must be this. Contract, commercial transaction, breach of contract, yeah. But against Scott, yeah. That is not a good look. Yeah, that's actually his name. I have no idea what this is, but it is a lawsuit. This is probably not it. This is Orange County. But Scott, I don't know, is it Tracy? This is this one? Threat flare. What is threat flare? Do you guys know any about this? Hmm. It's for financial funding. What is that? Is that prop firm? No, that's not prop firm. That would have been crazy if it was a prop firm. So it's like wait, let's get funding. Is it just loans then? Loans, yeah, it's loans. Did he breach a contract of loans then? I would hate to trade with a prop firm with a CEO is very shady. Imagine that. I think he owed like 50K or something. He went public with the issue, I think. Okay, that's good. If he owned up to it. I mean, I'm not trying to spread like negativity. If you guys trade with the firm, you like it. That's every firm's at risk. Except TopStep has been reputable. Like as long as you have history with the firm, you know, TopStep been running for 12, 14 years, and there has been no payout denials really. I think Desi might get on here. We'll get him on. No. See, this is what I don't want to do. I don't want to change your opinion about it in a way that like you're getting scared and you're trying to like full port or gamble those accounts. That's the last thing I want you guys to do. I would just trade them properly and like get the payout. Everyone's been getting payout lately, but you know the music would keep running until it doesn't. Just like Apex, I see some criticism with Apex. It's very fair. I've been getting paid with them every single time until this recent denial, which was a video proof. I mean, if it's video proof they need, I'll give the video proof and see what happens. Yo, what's up? Oh, let me say something real quick. Let me check the audio. Say something real quick.
Yo.
Oh, it's good. It is. Hello. Yeah, dude. Desi, I think someone just brought up like the CEO of Fast Track Trading (FTT). He's just like in a lawsuit. I have no idea about it, but we looked it up on stream, and it's like with a loan company. But some people are saying that he owned up to it or something. I don't know.
Damn. What did
But
he
I'm
do
not.
wrong? He's like,
I don't know. It says breach of contract. But yeah, I think there's a few people here that's trading them. They're like, oh no, what am I gonna do? Should I gamble? I'm like, no, don't do that. Don't. They have a 50% sale going on too. Like I was actually considering like, you know what? Maybe I would buy a few accounts to try them out. Let's see. It's allegedly been resolved from what others have said. Okay, that's good at least. And that's good. That's good. Just be cautious with firms that you can't trust. I think everyone has a lot of trust in TopStep. Someone just said TopStep CEO also have a lawsuit filed against them. Is it like trading related, or I've seen some lawsuit about it in the past. I think it's like employee related. I don't think that really is a concern unless there's something I don't know about.
interesting stuff.
All that Apex owner is doing is trying to get good trading strategies. I don't think that's what they're doing. I think they're trying to catch people who's like, let's say like you're trading for your mom and your mom's getting requesting a lot of payout. They want to catch that. That's a very breach of contract basically because you're supposed to be trading your own account.
Bro, I think what Apex was trying to do is like a lot of people are taking alerts from different
Oh yeah, that too.
streamers and stuff, so they're trying to eliminate that aspect of.
But like, how would that? Because like you could trade different models. Like let's say like I copy your trades, the versions. Like, but I could be also trading breakers. I could trade versions. I could trade like turtle soup.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't have. Not all my trades gonna be exactly the same. So it's like it's kind of odd. I feel like the main issue is like maybe they're trying to catch people that are trading for other people, like actually trading for other people. That's what happened with Forex a lot. Like they'll buy accounts for their parents, their dad, and like the dad don't even know anything about trading. They're like, okay, let's do a video interview. They're like, okay, I can't do it.
Thanks. All right, what are you looking at chart wise here?
Uh,
Kind of want to see this slime lower, like
we have. I'm looking at this the relative
529.
lows at 532.
Yeah, okay, I'm with you on that. I'm looking at the same thing.
We left those relative equal highs, I think, to the tick at this point. At 694. And maybe tomorrow we'll get something.
Dude, London session was pretty clean, so I traded London and kind of called it there.
It's good. Oh, we have SMC from these highs. Yeah, it's just now, like once you join, I think we started moving, but like we were kind of choppy, stuck for a while, and that's why we went off topic. So instead, you stream London session. You might need to start streaming London session.
Dude, we caught like I think it was like a 65-point trade last night. It's the upside. So
Yeah. Is London session like what, 1 p.m. or is it midnight for you? Or like 3 a.m. Eastern time. So 3 hours behind. Okay, yeah, midnight. That's not bad at all. If you trade midnight till like let's say 1 or 2, that's a pretty prime time.
Yeah, the trade that I took yesterday was around like around 2:30 a.m. That's pretty solid.
There's a lot of people that in the chat right now thinking like Apex is trying to just take the winning strategies, but I feel like it's just like more than that. Like, or it's not as easy. Like, oh, I'm just steal your strategy. But maybe I'm looking at a different angle. I don't know. I could tell someone my exact strategy and they would not probably do it the same way. Oh, Johnny, it's shit session. Yeah, it is. It's a very sloppy one. I'm also looking for a flip too, Des. Yeah, I like that we took that internal low just recently. If we can flip here, I'm gonna see if we can long to the relative equal highs for the 5th time.
Little 1-minute inversion here. I'm only gonna play downside if we get a 5-minute inverse. The gap they're holding right now.
Yeah.
Other than that, I'll kind of look for upside.
They have all our strategies already. Yeah, they have the execution. They can probably piece together if they want to. I don't think they really need to, but they could also just copy trade the people that has like months of data, like 6-year data of doing good consistency. They could also just copy trade them directly. So I don't think it's like a strategy thing that they're trying to aim for these videos. It's just trying to reject payouts for those who are trading for other people.
Yeah.
I think that's the main angle I'm looking at. Oh yeah, that or like just like Sam saying, like let's say you are sharing a trade directly with Rump Console where you can trade with other people as well, and maybe that you can replicate the same trades they do because you have no idea what you're doing. Oh, maybe I think they're trying to catch like what they call scammers and schemers, which is those exploitators who are not really trading themselves. We got an inversion flip here on the 1 minute here after taking an internal. That looks pretty good here.
Not bad here.
Okay, we can take out, push above 620s. I'll get that breaker and I'll look for higher prices. After taking that 15-minute liquidity, which is pretty good here. SMT from with and keep with ES as well.
This is good. I think we could push into the 60s again, bro. If
Nice, yeah.
that
like
5-minute gap's holding nicely.
We're picking up some speed now.
5
minute, yeah. look for something like this.
I'm gonna take a jab here. Longs.
I'm gonna try to wait, but yeah, I do like longs. I like shorts for the internal low. We already grabbed it. That's plenty. Sirix and long for 5.99. Yeah, that inversion long. That's probably what you did, right? Yeah, almost there. Do you think they can look on what Lanto trade took, and if they took the same trade, even if you record it, they can deny payout? I have no idea. Maybe they can do that, but at least the good thing with Lanto, like he shares more of a idea. So it's not gonna be like, oh, everyone put your limit here exactly. Everyone put your TP here. He does it more of a range thing. So it's like, okay, let's everyone learns to do a trading. He teaches you that way, which is pretty good.
Nice. There's an internal high right there.
Yeah. You answer that long too, right?
Yeah.
It's good. Perfect long there. Good for that momentum push. After we sweep that liquidity down there, this pretty easy here. Let's see if we bang it. Look for entry.
We say take that long even though we just took that high. Yeah, I think this could push into like 63 here.
63, what is that? Oh, that gap? Large gap? Or what do you see in 663?
I was using it before that fair rally gap up there.
Oh, yeah. Okay. If Desi was looking at it, he could have taken that inversion from all the way from 5.
Dude, I was gonna take 151, bro. I kind of hesitated on it.
Yeah. It was a good flip, at least. Very clear. Oh, I keep on moving shit.
Yeah, this AMD is about, I think we're running 63 here.
Mm-hmm. Did you ever get that email from the past or even the recently from Apex?
The video one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was it the recent one? Or did you get in the past?
No, that was a recent one.
So we all got it then. Lanto got that effect like 3 months
Way
ago.
Yeah. I don't even do that many crazy numbers on Apex, bro. Like that's like that's my least popular firm. And
there's some people talking like is literally their first payout is only $1,900, 2,000, something like very low, and they all automatically make them do it. It's like, damn, they're trying to catch everyone. What are the firms you go with? Do you want to share the firms that you're trading with right now, or recommend? I guess.
So
number one.
So I was actually gonna have my funded futures number one, but
number one
with Top Step, no daily loss limit. There's just no denying that they're the greatest firm. It's not even close. So Top Step number one, my funded futures number two with the starter plan. My
funded futures probably have the best value. If you're new and you want to make money, $76 for a 50K account. That is like pretty damn good.
And unfortunately, with my funded futures, I did get ghost ordered. Like it was on the 28th. No, not 20th, 23rd or something like that. I got ghost ordered and
last week.
max losses on 3 accounts. So that kind of left a sour taste in my mouth, but I have a lot of reserves, so I'm running with them.
Yeah. Were you the only one, or did a lot of people get affected? I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know. And you know, I was asking the back end. I was like, "Can you guys pull up the orders?" And they couldn't even find the
Yeah,
orders. That's what told. I was like, "If you guys can't find the orders, of course I got
something's
ghosted."
wrong. Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, I was like, it is what it is, but that was kind of annoying. I'm not gonna lie.
I think I would look to try a starter in this breaker, and then if we can hold for it, I'll add all the way back up. But it doesn't, like, we have aggressive displacement right now, and we took the internal high already. So I'm not really too game on this right now. SMT of these lows is nice, at least.
ES isn't seek and destroy a megaphone action here.
I tried with 1 and 10 points off. If we had momentum, we would have wanted to hold this, but we're just aggressively pushing down. And that makes me want to go for this sell side next.
ES about to break out of that wedge.
Yeah, you don't want to see a strong push straight through the area that you're looking to see if it wants to hold or not. After taking that internal high too. ES just made another low there. Breaker got decimated on the 1 minute. Still,
this New York session looks pretty mid, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I didn't look at it at all, but I'm looking at it now. This looks terrible.
We're about to give everything we did back at the open. Very aggressive push finally.
The only thing I would have taken this morning would have probably been like the 955 inversion. So.
Yeah, at the point on NQ, we have the sell side 530 and then the relative equal highs. The main one at 694.
Wait, we still haven't taken out 694.
No, I don't think we did. Not on my screen.
We have so much liquidity there. Wow.
Yeah, but they might be saving it maybe for tomorrow. Yeah, Umair, you're saying like what Apex did, they did come up with decent rules. They basically include that in the video. The survey that we talked about like weeks ago, or maybe like months ago actually. That they said in the next maybe 2 or 3 weeks they're gonna implement that. And if you don't know, this is what I'm talking about here. 8 trading days, which is great. No payout windows. Goes from 30% consistency rule to 40%, and there's also no more flipping. So they're not. I don't think they would look at consistency rule anymore, or consistency sizing. But I could be wrong. They need. I think that's the only thing they need clarification on. And then after withdrawal is no rules. They withdraw. I think that's the main update they're going for. Which at that time a lot of people were excited for. No daily loss limit for Top Step X only.
Top Step X, yes. But yeah, it sounds very good in theory, but be careful with that too. You don't want to start gambling. So what I would suggest is like get like a cushion before you do anything crazy.
When would Top Step have a sale? They never have a sale really. Are you talking about the daily loss limit? They already implemented though. That's what we're asking.
So yeah, you can still set a loss limit on your own.
Yeah, which is good because now you have your preference. The 5-minute on NQ is still holding pretty decent there, but we just keep on getting SMT. And ES just dug a deep low, and Q held that very nicely. There's a large gap at 2 p.m. flat. If we can inverse that, that would be incredible. This has been a pretty mid session, man.
Yeah, I did.
What do you guys think? Those guys watching. You like lower, upside or downside? I'm still feeling a little bit more down right now. Downside. Yeah, I think if we want to get back in here, that's the last limit. We've been holding this pretty well too. I think we get a jab back in. I'm liking this short if we do. Oh, no.
That 4-hour chart is actually nasty.
Yeah, I see it on Q. Should we build some lows on here? I still like this 530 lows. We might get that before power here. The way we're going. Look at 610s right now. We want to get that. Yeah, we can do a giveaway today. If I take any shorts here, I think the moment we do get a closure above this gap at 2 p.m., I would look to get rid of the trade. But my target will be down at 530s. Good drive down low.
Yo, who leaked the Apex email thing? Because isn't it like supposed to be confidential?
I have no idea. I did not want to leak. I just talked about it.
Pretty funny though.
But how would they trace it back?
Yeah, I don't know. Ban everyone.
Oh, you like the shorts, does he?
Yeah, we're about to inverse that 5-minute.
Oh, let me see. Yeah, that's probably the next area I would look. We'll be inside this breaker too. We're seeing a lot of wicks, but we're about to get a nasty closure down, which would lead to, I think, the lower prices too.
Yeah, let's see what that 5-minute does. Got 3 minutes on it.
Mm. Yeah, this 4-hour internal, someone's suggesting is the equal low that we're also targeting down here. It's pretty good. I want to see this candle closure here.
Yes, in the bottom of the megaphone right now.
Let's not look at this now. One more minute to look at that 5-minute closure, then 15-minute candle close. Notice the wicks here. Wick under, close above. Now we open up and then gonna do a nice deep closure down. There's a 5-minute closure there. Looking for
an entry now.
Yeah. How does everyone want to do?
But it's just Wick City, bro. Oh my lord.
Yeah, straightways down.
Yeah, ES41 looks good, and then NQ30s. That's crazy, Ethan.
The main sell side, 530s. We're looking at very closely right now.
Guys, I think my dad fixed the fire alarm. I don't hear it no more.
Good.
I think my dad fixed it. I was complaining to him. I was like, bro, I can't figure this shit out. This is the only one that didn't have batteries in it. I think he fixed it. What a legend. Juan, I miss it, bro. It's part of the. It was a staple in the streams, bro. Every time I open my mouth, beep.
I'm looking at the 5-minute right now. Hopefully, this order block here, inversion in the 580, so we come back up there. That's why I'm looking at my entry.
Yeah, it's about to run it.
This is about to run it, man. Look at the 5 minutes still. If this retraces up, so I'm trying to look at it. Even better would be inside this breaker.
Honestly, bro, I would want to just take that low so maybe trace higher for later in the day, but dude. It's like new low chop, new low chop.
Yeah. I hope we get this retrace here so I can get entry.
Dude, holy ass price action.
Yeah, let's do the giveaway for micro futures. Micro futures start a giveaway. Just like the stream, subscribe, and comment username one time. Get the giveaway out the way, so this trade we can lock in. I'll give you guys 3 more minutes. Here's your YouTube username. The bot will just detect it, and if it's multiple entries, then it'll ban it.
Oh my god, this is taking so long.
Let's get this push up here. I want to get this entry. Looking at it closely. Went at 73, just missed it. Just needed more. Philip Makawi. I just see like the bot showing like 6 entries already. That's an easy disqualification. Okay.
You are disqualified.
Giveaway winner today is Andrew Skisi up next. Skyzy up next. Dude, this is about to sell straight to 530s, man. I'll give 5 minutes for Andrew Skysy up next to respond. I still like the 5-minute entry here. If we can get that, that'd be beautiful. Does not look like it wants to give that. It looks like we want to go straight to sell side. Oh, baby.
Finally, fuck, dude. God damn, bro. Version was money on the 5-minute, bro.
Yeah, I was looking for the retrace, but damn, that closure really got it. Straight shot down, wow. Man, that was a clean hit. I had some swings from a long term when we were up high. I was gonna hold it even if we take the highs out. No need anymore. That would have been such an L if you just took profit at like, let's say ES just right at the open 641 and then it just dropped another 7 or 10 points right after.
But do you see all the LRLR from last night?
Yeah. I think it's gonna keep on selling off. This is a 4-hour. I don't think it has anything to hold it here.
Oh, we're getting aggressive.
Oh, that's so good. Dude, should I go flat or
What do you?
on the swings. Very deep
Oh,
swings.
you got the top.
Yeah, around there. Like almost 200 points basically.
Yeah.
I think my entry's like 630 though. Almost. Holy crap.
That was aggressive sells. 100 points that fast.
That's such like a classic of the stream, like we're waiting for entry and it's like been stuck and then boom. Check this score. Let me see. Xerix, let's see what you got, Xerix. My best trading day ever. 5K. It was a 5K up, 5,500. Very nice, man. I believe you said you were holding since it's like 630 or something. I don't know how much you held for. Congrats, man. $9K today, nice. Let's check the higher time frame. Dude, Desi, I just took so much TP off of that.
That's good though. That's good though.
I was gonna plan on holding till like if it keeps on moving up like till September-ish, but that was quick. Like I share it. It's a quick 5K. That happened so fast. Look at what I shared too. It just that literally like that 3 minute just shot up from break even here.
Holy shit. Dude, those pay, bro. That's the way to play Robinhood accounts.
Yeah, just a hold for a big move. Especially when it's like this is pretty clear. I feel like was that good premium. I was hoping like it would take the buy side, so I'd be more confident to even add more to it. And then slam back down. There's a lot of gaps for that grind up in Asia. Too bad I didn't get a live scalp. I think I wanted like 3 entries. I just didn't get any of them. Did you get the inversion, Desi? Or was it a 5 minute?
I got in after the 5 minute version. I just used it for bias.
That was a good bias for me too. Because right above that version, there's like inside of it is like the breaker I marked down. I was like, let's see if we can get to 580s, 590s. That'd be beautiful, but
yeah, look here, look at Discord.
So aggressive. This is paper hands right here, guys. Look, got like
show my entry. Show my entry.
Top shorts. Literally probably took it for like 15 points. It just proceeded to dump like 100 points next 2 candles. Why do you think of 525 as an entry short? Wait, I'm getting lost. What was 525? Let me see. Oh, well, what was that entry? Desi, was that 525 that he's talking about, or was that way higher, like a 550s?
For mine?
Yeah. It's probably 560, right?
Mine was 557.
Johnny said, let's hop on the live next week. Okay. Desi gotta hop on too.
I'm down. Down. Johnny!
Yeah, we're all looking at aggressive price direction down, and that took so long. It was like so grindy and choppy consolidation, and then boom, straight down, straight in the gutters. Yeah, we're like, I think Lanto would be on tomorrow. He said he's gonna do PF. He was gonna be on today, but he had an appointment. He forgot. So maybe we'll get something for Lanto as well.
Lantern.
That turd.
What a guy.
Let's look at the 4 hour. Or the hourly. Still. That was just a deep sell, man. If we can get a return this 4 hour, maybe we'll try to come back up and then slam. September, I just feel like all the time, just aggressive sells.
Hey, is Monday closed?
Oh, yeah, Monday is Labor Day, right? It should be closed.
What am I gonna do for 3 days?
It's a 3-day weekend. It's he said, what am I gonna do?
That's me good.
It's still acting pretty aggressive. What is tech going under too? Oh yeah, Nvidia starting to sell pretty hard too. Google, look at that, the hourly, boom. Are we ready for longs, or let me see? I'm still looking at a higher time frame. I want the 4 hour hit, so maybe another 50 points down. I'll take a look at it, but after that aggressive sell, you would typically want a retracement, ideally, before going lower.
Yeah.
Look at that large gap, man. This is now gonna move down here now. I'm looking for a retrace back above 500 essentially. Maybe 510, 520s, and let's see if we can move lower from there.
Yeah, we got a BPR here too. I think this might just keep going, bro.
It's been pretty aggressive.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it does not want to slow down at all. ES just took another low there. See if this low holds.
Back down to 416.
Yep. So that 4 hour, yeah, we're almost at 420 now. That's what I was saying, like 50 points under, and then we'll start looking at it. And this is where you'll likely start looking at it more.
We're in a 4 hour gap here on AQ.
Yeah.
And
it's a nice 4 hour. You're probably looking for to see if it wants to hold down here. Probably the midpoint of it. If I look from high all the way from yesterday's low, the way around. Go for a nice discount, which will be at this area here. Yeah, like the 350s, 360s would be a nice attempt.
I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Let me get some water.
All right. This is September. This is pre-September for you guys. You didn't know. Now you know. We're looking for under 400 right now. Yeah, that makes me... I sold a lot of my short position for my swings. This is what I was planning to hold. If it was like next week and a dump here, I would have held through it. But since it's one day, I literally opened up this morning. It was like already 150 points. Going for London lows. Yeah, London lows. Look how deep London lows are. It's gonna keep on falling here.
There's so much lower this liquidity, bro.
But yeah, we're at the 4 hour. I don't think I want to be aggressively shorting down here. I want to see this kind of catch here. That's why you want to look at the higher time frame. Like, people probably try to buy it when it was like 470 earlier with that big drive down. But you look at higher time frames, like they still want to target the internal. And if you look for anything under 420, look at that. That's like clearly a good buy right now so far already.
If we get an inversion here, it'll probably take us back into like 490s.
Bit aggressive as hell today.
Donuts at London lows. What's the price on that?
London lows are like deep. It's like 300 flat almost.
Yeah.
Asia lows even lower. That's because that Nvidia sold us off so deep.
Yeah, 340s.
This looks like it does one lower.
Yeah, 340 is good. I like those lows.
Still aggressively selling. Retap that 1 minute is slower now. Aggressive lows there. Deep in that 4 hour now. See what
Yeah,
attack
I
London
think we're
lows.
coming for those London lows here. ES just hit them, I think. Yeah. ES just like London lows.
He was just keep selling off to London lows. Yeah, about three. Look at 305s right now. ES is coming to him. Taking aggressive moves down. Wow, look at that. You want to say he's up nearly 600k? What position are you doing? Holy crap. What are you looking at, Dazzy? Still lower prices?
Yeah, ES took out the London low. I also want to see NQ run it as well. Probably it's gonna be very hard to kind of flip long. Price is aggressive, not much time either.
Yeah, we get a
694, bro. Look at the hourly range has been absolutely insane.
That is crazy. Hourly range is almost
So
300
both
points
like,
already.
I still want that daily BPR tap, bro. I don't know how aggressive we can get overall the higher time frame.
Yeah, Des got. I basically sold a lot of my short position at like 460s, I think 450s. Another 100 points in like 5 minutes. That'd be
Yeah,
another like 4K or 3K right there.
that was a good trade though.
It's basically a day trade at that point because I was planning on swinging it, but just happened to be a day trade. Want to see the slam down more here on Q. I'm just not looking to catch any knife until we even want to get to end dog 306.
And doggy dog.
It's very hard for like perfect short entries. You're gonna be leaning to the bias and just enter where you think fits. Like the 1 minute retrace did work every single time so far. And there has been no bullish setup, so like there's no reason for anyone to try to mess with longs at the moment. This is gonna slam down here at this rate if it doesn't want to inverse this. Just plummet here. Boom. Damn, that was nice.
Go.
I just kept on chasing shorts a little bit aggressive on the 1 minute retaps. It was way too aggressive for me, but it's good. It was clean. I was looking for the low to be jabbed there. Now it's kind of difficult. We just got bought up immediately. It's very hard to kind of live trade this price action when like even there's like a 2-3 second lag. It could be like a 30 point 20 point difference already. But I got a nice 680s entries and then just sold at 650s, 640s, or is it 650s? Let me see. 650s. If we end versus that might be the start of like looking take long scalps, but overall we're in that 4 hour BPR or 4 hour fair value up on NQ, any ES. This fills it all the way. You can take the longs as long as you're not catching a knife and seeing like 1 minute flip. But yeah, Friday we also have the 8:30 news. Maybe we'll get um even good moves there too. No inversion, just retap, retrace, and lower.
Lower, lower, lower.
Yeah, that I don't think me or Desi probably taking any more trades anymore today. You looking at anything, Desi?
No, that's pretty much it. I think that was a trade of the session.
All right. Did that guy who won the giveaway claim it? I don't think I was paying attention anymore. It's like I think it was Andrew Shiesty or something like that. Sizey. If not, we can rerun it. Let me see, Andrew.
Wait, who won?
It was like Andrew Sizey. I don't think he was here. We might have to rerun it.
3 p.m. could be the move.
Yeah. I also like to look at the new day of gap. That's basically where that letting lows for me is at that 2 a.m. Eastern time. That's gonna get ran for sure. Either it could be power, it could be overnight, or it could be the Friday news. But I like this a lot here.
Where's the new day opening gap at? 280s?
310. Like at the start of it, it's a big gap.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe, copy username one time. Your YouTube username or Discord, whatever. Just as long as it's a new username, unique tag, where the bot can detect it. I think we're just gonna wrap up after this. You like a long at 310? I think we're all looking at a rundown to new day open gap, and after that, if there's a setup, most likely under midnight open, ideally. If it's today in power hour, that's where I would like to see a flip. But that's like the main draw there. Oh yeah, Desi. It's Andrew Skies, but he's not responding. I think we're just gonna rerun it.
He's my member. I think he's AFK. He's like talking to my chat right now.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Literally, we commented, and then like 3 minutes later, we picked the winner, and damn.
Are you gonna rerun it, or should I tell him?
I think we have to rerun it. Because we already have everyone commenting again.
Alright.
Alright, let's see the next one here. The next one is Cal Richer. I think that's how you say it. I don't know if you know Danny trade. This dude made 100K on his live account with that drop. Whoa. How do you know? Did he post that? Yeah, I'll just DM me on Discord. I'll give you that account. That's the first inversion we had. Every time, notice on the sell-off, we just retap a 1 minute, sell-off, 1 minute, sell-off, 1 minute, sell-off. This is the first inversion. And might be a momentum from it. But I think it's going to wrap up. We're near power hour. It's a very deep sell. I know many of you guys took a short. That's great. I just chased up for some scalp. That's it. Just leaning with the bias. Last note would be looking at the new dip gap at 310, 307. Same aligns with London lows. I want to see this drive in, and then we can try to climb back up. But overall, still look for lower prices. And the 4 hour, and he basically just drove all down the 4 hour. Notice how we were like up here at 470. I was like, I still want lower. I still want a drive down. So let's look at the high time frame targets. And the daily here, we just filled the whole daily up. Next one is all the way at 890s. That's gonna wrap it up today, guys.
Solid stream. We're
gonna run it back tomorrow. Yeah. Desi, are you joining tomorrow?
Weapon?
Are you joining tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll be sure tomorrow.
All right, then we got the trio tomorrow. Then trio at 1 p.m. Friday.
Sounds good. All right, then, chat. Hope everyone had a good day.
Yeah.
Bye, and I'll talk to you in a bit.
See ya.